नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न काउंसिल कुल है स्कीम के सलाम लपेन
আপোনালোকে স্থানীয় জিলাখনৰ প্ৰতি
এতিয়া গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ কথাটো হৈছে যে এসপ্তাহমান আগতে বিদাস সিং লেখে যিজনে এতিয়া মৰি গ'ল হোমগাৰ্ড তেওঁ প্ৰেছত কৈছিলে যে ইয়াত আমি যদি ডিউটি পাৰফৰ্ম কৰিব লাগে তেতিয়াহ'লে যি ফেচিলিটি ইয়াত লাগে লাইট নাই খোৱা পানী নাই বহুত কথা ইয়াত নাই বুলি কৈছিল তেওঁ লাগে বুলি ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিছিল আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিলক কিন্তু কাৰ্বি আংলং অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিল যিসকলে ইনচাৰ্জ হয় ফৰেষ্ট ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ তেওঁলোকে একো কাম নকৰিলে তেওঁলোকৰ দায়িত্বটো তেওঁলোকে বহন নকৰিলে সেই কাৰণতে ইনচিডেণ্টটো হৈ গ'ল হয় আৰু মই ইংলিছতে ক'ম যে about 1 week ago this Bidas Singh Lekhe, the one who has been killed now, is one of the home guards. He appealed to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council because Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is responsible for managing the forest department and the in charge is the CM himself, the Chief Executive Mr. Tuliram Ronghang himself. He has appealed for help also, that is the necessary things, but he has not been given. He has not done anything for assisting the forest camp here. Now because of that only this incident has happened. Now one other thing that we have to say is that the other thing, somebody also went there, unknown miscreant also wanted to poison the drinking water in the ring well. The unknown people. No, this is not Khasi, neither Khasi nor Karbi, somebody else. So this is also a thing to be worried about, to be thought about, and effective step must be taken about this thing. Another thing is that forest department has performed their duties. Then why should they be suspended? This is not a good thing. So far we know it is not good thing. So far the local people, the Karbis and Khasis are concerned here. They are living peacefully. There is no problem here. They are living peacefully and then they want to have the normal life. Now for returning to normal life, because it is something affected a little bit because of presence of force and all. So we are going to request to the authority in Meghalaya and Assam also to allow us to hold a joint public meeting of the Khasi people and Karbi people. Regarding all this matter. Not exactly those things, but mainly for bringing back normality here. Is that so? And then we request one thing that we must mention also, that now it is 2 days past. The CMEM, they always boast about their development, this and that thing, and then Team Karbi Anglong, all these things they used to say. But now, till today, they have not come to the spot at all. None of them, even the CMEM, not even the MLAs, they have come here. So what is the reason? Why not come here? Because they have neglected, and I think they want to create some more problems because MP election is coming. That is the reason, I think. They want to get some political benefit out of this turmoil, out of the deaths of so many people. So this is condemnable. They must come and do their own duty here.
man jam berat gua siap lem
thao yang iga blok one lại, cái chương trình mắt, cái chương trình ngủ online và cái chương comment cái chương trình power của em thì của hệ kami mandai manpa yang thay yang i apa makalia ngul pa iu i sini của em ketika jeung senamnut ke jeung jo mat jeung ki lang i ke besi bun sare di em lang ki nandu CM hadu ki deputy hadu ki minister hadu ki MDC em lang Indonesia KPI kita bawa ya yang betul.
Meant to discuss about these issues because this is the burning issues of the not only for the community but it's humanitarian. So sir, it's pleasure to say that you are with us today. We could discuss the issues through you. I think some steps the government will take which will tackle these issues.
I first of all would like to express our deepest condolences to all the families who have lost their dear ones. This is not just a loss for the families or this village, but it's a loss for the entire state. We are here to tell you that as a state we are grieving with you in this time of sorrow and this time of loss. We have come here today to of course meet the family members, but also to meet all of you. Because we know the people of this area have been suffering for a very, very long time. And knowing the suffering that the people have been having here, we know that the root cause of all this problem is the border dispute. And that is the reason why in the last year and a half, as a government, we've been working proactively to ensure that we are able to resolve this border issue. This government in the past has taken concrete steps. We didn't just promise. This in itself is showing you that we are committed to resolving this. And yes, this area is slightly more complicated, but our commitment is equally strong to resolve it. Let me assure you that.